Welcome to the MADCOW project. MADCOW is a research project at Sapienza University of Rome. It provides an integrated environment for annotating content within web pages in Web 2.0 style. More specifically, MADCOW is an advanced research project to support annotation of content embedded in HTML pages. Users may annotate text, images, video and audio streams, links, icons, and other elements. MADCOW is based on an advanced client-server architecture mediated by the Internet, exploiting XML for communication. The architecture is transparent to the user, who interacts locally with the page. In order to highlight the simplicity of using MADCOW, let me show you some brief examples about the basic functionalities of the project. More specifically, we show how to check whether a page presents annotations on text and visualize them, create and publish a new annotation on text, modify a previously inserted annotation on text, add an annotation to a set of annotations previously posted by any user, check whether a page presents annotations on images and visualize them, create and publish a new annotation on an image, create a new annotation on some part of an image, use the search engine of the MADCOW portal, and moreover, we will also show you how to obtain a free MADCOW account. Now we can observe how it is possible to search for annotations on text in a web page. After loading a web page, it is sufficient to press the button MADCOW Notes. If notes are present, MADCOW identifies and highlights the areas where one or more users have posted their own notes. By moving the mouse over any such area, a pop-up window appears, by which the user may obtain a complete preview about the authors and the contents of the associated notes. In order to read a complete content of an annotation, it is sufficient to press the plus button in the pop-up window. Now we can observe how a user can create a new annotation on text. The user can add a new note on the web page on any area, be it already annotated or not. A simple pop-up drives the user during the interaction activity. A user can publish the annotation in a public or in a private way. In the first case, the annotation will be visible to any MADCOW user. In the last case, the annotation will be visible only to the creator. The user can also choose the type of annotation, which can be a comment, a question, and so on. Moreover, he or she can also add tags. In this case, I create a private note, as this is considered a personal information. Another functionality provided by MADCOW is the possibility to modify online a note previously posted by the same user. As can be seen, the interaction process is very easy. The author of a note can change the whole content simply by clicking on it. When the user saves the updated note, the system immediately sends it to the portal to update in real time the database. This advanced feature of the system respects the high standard related to the Web 2.0 style. In this example, we show how it is possible to add an annotation related to an existing note or to an already annotated area. As it is possible to observe, also in this case, the interaction activity is very intuitive. The user can add one or more notes on every already annotated area simply by clicking on the link Add New Note posted on the pop-up window. Also in this case, when the user saves the new note, the system immediately sends it to the portal to update in real time the database. In this way, any user can open a discussion thread on each and every annotated text area. Users can also annotate images. In particular, in the next example, we can observe how it is possible to identify the presence of annotations on images within a web page. Again, the user presses the button MADCOW Notes and placeholder icons appear next to any image for which an annotation exists. By clicking on an icon, the user can obtain a complete preview about the users and the contents of the associated notes. Moreover, also in this case, by pressing a button, it is possible to reach a web page with the full content of the note and contextual information on it. Now we can observe how a user can create a new image annotation. The user can add a new note on the web page on any image, be it already annotated or not. Also in this case, a simple pop-up drives the user during the interaction activity. As for annotations on text, a user can post the annotation in a public or private way, choose the type of note, and add tags. Again, the user presses the button MADCOW Notes and placeholder icons appear next to any image for which an annotation exists. Moreover, also in this case, by pressing a button, it is possible to reach a web page with the full content of the note and contextual information on it. In the next example, we show how an annotation can be related to a specific part of an image. For example, we want to annotate this interesting image about an article. The user highlights a specific part of the image exploiting a graphical tool. In this way, it is possible to focus the attention of the reader on a specific portion of the image and not on the whole image. Again, the user presses the button MADCOW Notes and placeholder icons appear next to any image for which an annotation exists. Moreover, also in this case, by pressing a button, it is possible to reach a web page with the full content of the note and contextual information on it. Now, we introduce an interesting potentiality of the MADCOW portal related to the web annotation environments. The MADCOW portal has a powerful search engine by which a user can search annotations by authors or by content. In this last case, the annotations are searched both by text, content, and by tags. Well, we have observed how it is possible to annotate web pages in immediate, intuitive, and simple ways. If you want to try MADCOW by yourselves, you can easily obtain a free account. It is sufficient to fill in the free registration form on the MADCOW portal. Once obtained the username and password via email, it is necessary to perform the login on the portal. Subsequently, you have to drag and drop the two bookmarklets on your browser. Thank you very much for your attention.